As a Nika member, you're right to expect no-nonsense great deals. That's why we've teamed up with Master Builders Connect and Telstra to bring you more of the good stuff at exclusive mates rates. No gimmicks, no confusion. Just straight talking, no-nonsense deals that give you all the features you want. More talk and text, more data, more flexibility and more coverage. We know that you've got enough on your plate and that we need to help keep things simple. Get connected to our exclusive no-nonsense plans right from the comfort of your home, office or even the worksite. Set up your plan over the phone and we'll have it delivered straight to your door. With Master Builders Connect, you get access to a dedicated Australian-based help desk. When you ring, you'll be talking to someone in Australia and chances are you'll get to speak to the same person every time. Being with Telstra means you'll be on Australia's largest mobile network, allowing you to stay connected while on the job. Call 1300 88 1372 and connect to more with Nika and Master Builders Connect.